Hey guys, what's up? Fab Simon here, and as requested by one friend of mine straight from India, he asked me for a quick tutorial on how to draw hair for comics. And so here I have this lady, and I'm drawing her hair. And the main tip I can give is when doing comics, hair in comics, you must do locks of hair. So many times when people are starting and they think of hair, they think of something like this, you know kind of trying to draw each single line of hair. So this doesn't work for comics. So when when drawing comics, you need to think of groups of hair together, so like here, I will do the external outline for her head, and I'm doing defined lines to define the locks of hair. Right. um Always remember, try to keep, how can I say, um you must to avoid shaded lines. Sometimes you can give line variation. Of course, you can do some points the thickness of the line heavier or thicker, and on other points you can make it thinner, but avoid doing that shading, that only works for realistic drawings. And when drawing comics, you need to go towards a more stylish way of drawing. It's all about interpretation and your vision, and how to give your interpretation on things. They don't need exactly to look like real. They must feel like real. They must pass the idea of reality. It's more important to actually looking real. For hair, you can decide a flow. Like, for example, here, we see the panel, and we see it's like the wind is coming from this direction. There's a motion in the hair, so you decide the direction, and you try to keep the flow and the motion. That's it, guys. That's it, little brother. Hope you got something to learn with this quick tutorial. Keep practicing, keep drawing. Thanks a lot, and let's rock.